Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kerala University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is URL section, type down Kerala University and enter it after you're done. And here we could see from the search results, we could see the University of Kerala right over here. And on the bottom, there's a student login right over here. Click on that option and you'll get an interface like this. Here we could see in the student login, you have to choose the course category which you want to. So simply I'm going to pick one of them and the course as well. And after that, you have to type down your candidate code and your password as well. And after that, you have to enter the code right over here, the same one from here, just like this. And you can simply click on this option after you fill the requirements form over here and you'll be successfully logged into the University of Kerala. But if you have forgotten or lost the access to your password, then you also have an option. You click on this forgot password, then you'll be able to recover or reset the password. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log into University of Kerala. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.